Hi, I'm Cindy Lorimer, and today I'm going to make one of my favorite quick and flavorful dish, which is basil pesto pasta. To bring out the deeper flavor, I roast the garlic for just a few minutes and toast the pine nuts until golden. It adds a rich nuttiness to the pesto. Obviously, if you have a nut allergy, then you can forego the pine nuts altogether. We're going to add the toasted pine nuts and garlic, 6 cups of basil. This is basil from my garden. And then a tablespoon of lemon juice. Okay. A teaspoon and a half of kosher garlic. Half a teaspoon of black pepper. I like a little bit of a kick to my pesto sauce because I like everything spicy. So I'm gonna add half a teaspoon of red chili flakes. You can add more if you want more spicy, or you can forgo it altogether. And then let's puree this. You want all the basil leaves to be chopped up. Transfer the mixture to a bowl, then stir in olive oil and balsamic vinegar. I like to mix in the olive oil and balsamic vinegar by hand. It keeps the pesto bright and silky. Add lemon zest from half a lemon as it creates and enhances that lemon flavor. Cook 1 pound of pasta in generously salted water, about a tablespoon of kosher salt. Make sure to save some of the pasta water before draining as it helps the sauce cling. Add your pesto mix into a large serving bowl, and then don't forget to reserve a 1/4 cup of that pasta water. And scoop the pasta out into the mixing bowl and then thoroughly mix everything together. Add your Parmesan cheese, your pasta water. Give it a good toss so it evenly coats the pasta. And then now you're ready to serve. I love the fact that this dish is so light, so refreshing, and so simple in flavors. Top it with as much Parmesan cheese as you like. Garnish with a basil leaf. And then now you're ready to serve. Wow. It has a nice kick to it, but it tastes so fresh, full of flavor, and so simple and so quick to make. Perfect for a weeknight dinner. So I hope you try this recipe.